ठीक है. So what is MySQL? It is a database. Okay. What we do in this database, we write the queries or commands. Okay. So MySQL is a database, and which type of database it is? RDBMS, which is Relational Database Management System. Okay. So this is what MySQL is. Because MySQL gives you some sample databases. So in order to show or in order to see the database which are available there, the command is show. See, we'll just hota kaise. Okay. So post session you can try and then. Okay. So we are here on this IDE. So what I was telling, if you're writing one letter, it is showing you a drop down. Then you have to write further that which query or which command you are writing. So we are working on show. So show databases. Okay. Then colon. We have to put, see, if I'm not putting colon and doing enter, nothing is happening. If I will put colon, here we have two options. One is execute the selected point, execute the statements under the keyboard cursor. So there is a difference in both. If you will press first, तो जितना भी आगे कैनवा पे जितना भी आपने कमांड लिखा हुआ है ना आगे वो पूरा वापस रीरन कर देगा. But if you only want this specific command to execute, so you have to click here for the second option. ठीक है? Like अभी तो एक ही है, so let's go with any of the option. Show database. See, once I did this, if you see here, you see the command executed in a right way. That is why it is green sign here. Show databases, 5 row returned. And where is the output for this? Here. Information schema, MySQL performance. Done. This is the command to show or see the existing database in your system. Okay. Now, whichever database we would like to use or we would like to work upon, we have to use and the name of the, for example, I would like with SQL_intro. This is one of the database. You can even see here on the extreme left or in the output which is given here. We have a database called or named SQL_intro, and this is right here. Okay. Now semicolon, and see if I click here again, both command executed because I've clicked on this. The first option means all the commands which is right there in the Canva has to be executed altogether. If I only want specifically this, okay, just press this and only one will execute. See the difference here in the show database the first time which I showed you?
Yes.
Okay. So now use SQL intro means we are particularly using this database. We would like to work upon this data. Now I need to see, is there any table or information present in this SQL intro? So first option is here, SQL intro. You see tables here. If you double click on this table, we have a employee details table here, which is already created under SQL intro. So in order to see what is present in this employee details table, we have to write select asterisk from, कहाँ से करना है हमें information? Employee details underscore enter. Now, can you please tell me which option should I click now? First or second?
Second one.
Perfect. See, when the command or this query gets right, it gives you this green. If it gets wrong, then it gives you one cross mark. Okay. See, selects asterisk from employee details. This means that all the information which is present in the employee details table is displayed here. So how many columns we have? We have employee ID, full name, age, gender, salary, and department. What is the next step after creating the database? एक डेटाबेस हमने बना लिया है सिस्टम में. अब उस डेटाबेस के अंदर क्या होगा, हमें क्या करना है उसका? प्लीज ट्राई. Select the database. Ritik is saying select the database. No, we have already selected it. Edbhumi was created and then we have used Edbhumi, so it is already selected. What else? सिर्फ डेटाबेस के साथ आप कुछ कर सकते हो?
Create table.
Very good. This is a database. अब डेटाबेस के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन किस में डालोगे? पहले टेबल बनाएंगे, टेबल में जाएंगी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो first step is to create database. The second step is to create the table. Okay, so what will be the command to create the table? Any idea? Yes, no?
No.
Create. What name you want to give? Table. So okay, so we want to create a database. So I'll write create database. See, अभी यहाँ पे क्रॉस और रेड लाइन आती रहेगी. इसका मतलब कमांड पूरी नहीं हुई है, ये अभी एरर है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज हमने पूरी कमांड लिखी ही नहीं है अभी. तो ये जब तक हम सही नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पे क्रॉस और रेड लाइन आती रहेगी. व्हाट डेटाबेस नेम, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई राइट एडभूमि, जैसे ही एडभूमि और सेमीकोलन लगाया, सी जो क्रॉस आ रहा था और रेड लाइन आई थी वो चली गई. ठीक है, अभी आई हैव टू execute it to see if this is right or not. This is right, but where to see this database? To this corner, to this corner. Now we are unable to see here. Why? Because every time we are creating a new database, this is a refresh option. So once you refresh, see Edbhumi. Okay, so this is a new database created Edbhumi. Out of all three, only SQL_intro is highlighted. Why?
Because it's already present in the this.
Because use वाले command में SQL_intro.
Right, because we are already working upon this. We have already written this. If I'll write use Edbhumi, okay. Now see, only Edbhumi gets activated. So whichever SQL database we are working upon, so that particular one will get activated.